statement about all rectangles, squares, and pentagons is true? Well, get ready to look at my terrible drawing skills. Let me draw a rectangle. Rectangle is any four-sided shape, quadrilateral, where opposite sides are parallel, but they make four 90-degree angles like that. That is a rectangle. A square is a type of rectangle, but all the sides are the same. Right? So you are a square. Again, terrible drawing skills. Pentagon is any five-sided figure. Nothing really has to be the same. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is a pentagon, 5 sides right there. So which statement is true? They are all rhombi. Well, no. In fact, only one of them is square. Rhombi means four-sided figure. Four sides are the same. That's what a rhombus is. So rhombuses. No, that's not true. They are all polygons. Now, this is actually correct. A polygon is a closed plane figure made up of line segments. So you're closed made up of line segments, you're closed made up of line segments, you're closed made up of line segments. The answer is B. All right. With C, they all have equal angles. Well, that's true for R and for S, but not for the pentagon. They all have exactly four sides, not true for the pentagon. So B is the only one that works here. B is your answer.